This is the Big Brother Naija review show.
So hello Arin, how are you doing?
Good, I'm fine, chilling.
Right. So how do you feel out of the house? Question number one actually, what was the first thing you did when you left the house?
The first thing I did, I went to the hotel to, I don't know, do nothing, get with my brain.
So how does it feel being out of the house?
It feels okay, you know, of course, mixed feelings. I love being back out with my family and back to real life where I can actually get to work. I, of course, also miss my friends, my babies that I spent the last 3 weeks with.
And what do you miss the most about being in the Big Brother house?
My friends. I miss Biggie's voice, so Biggie, shout out to you. But I miss my friends, just like being there with them, having a good time, conversation. Yeah.
This is Big Brother. I first one are you? So what's next for Arin? What's going on with Arin right now?
What's next for me is work, and a lot more work. Just collaborations, partnerships, you know, art, fashion, entertainment, talking a lot. Wherever you can have me talk, I will be there talking. But yeah, just a lot of work.
Okay, now I know since you left the house, you've been watching a lot of Big Brother. You've seen some clips of things that went on. What has surprised you the most about some of the housemates?
Oh, nothing. I actually haven't watched enough to be surprised by anything. The Perry and White Money situation definitely didn't surprise me. The Maria and Queen situation definitely didn't surprise me. In fact, maybe what surprised me is Big Brother's twist, where he said Maria should act like she can evict anybody she likes on Sunday. That surprised me.
What if Big Brother has another twist where he says the people she nominated for eviction are actually going to be evicted?
Oh my gosh. Well, I think that's what she's expecting for the people she she puts up to leave on Sunday, something like that. But yeah, that was surprising.
And then how about the lovebirds? What's your favorite ship in the house?
Oh gosh. Okay, Saga and Nini, but they are not a ship, they are a friendship. They are my favorite ship if I were to pick one.
Nothing about Licorice or Dimano.
I don't really know anything about them. Like, they're sweet and they have tasks together. I know they're usually always oddly grouped together. That's like the only thing. But like, as far as like romance, I don't know that much.
Alright, thank you so much, Arin.
Okay.
We look forward to seeing more of you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
And cheers. Thank you.